India's first virtual reality classroom for aviation students is set to completely overhaul the way students study aviation.
I am right now physically at the aviation lab in Thakur College, but very soon I will be inside the Boeing 787. Now these are the tools that I will be using for virtual reality. Now this is called the headgear, and these are the controllers for each hand, using which I will be able to move around in the cockpit. Now this actually gives you a real sense of the cockpit, the real functions. You can experience them. Now there are various other functions inside the cockpit, like you can see loads of functions over here that are giving the students a real-time experience of what it is to be on the field.
This method changes the learning process from merely learning the theory out of books, posters and maps to virtual learning through actual sights and sounds like true professionals.
This is a visual device which tracks your head movements like in the real world. Suppose you are sitting in a cockpit, you want to look up, down, sideways, everywhere. So this device will help you to see and visualize and track your head movements. ये जो machine है, ये basically आपका हाथ को simulate करता है. The aircraft is a very precious and very expensive equipment, very sensitive also. तो उस केस में अगर स्टूडेंट को यहाँ पे रियल वर्ल्ड की तरह पहले ट्रेनिंग कर दिया जाए, फैमिलियराइजेशन किया जाए, so they will be very, expert and very close to that environment.
Virtual classrooms provide a whole new dimension to learning and understanding. Students are able to break down complicated engine structures using digital dissection.
To teach the students how inside the engine, how engine look like, different parts of engine, assembling and disassembly of the engine. Along with this, we have one more feature in this. You can show a video to the students. You can show your notes, your write-up to the students. You can show videos to the students. You can have your own PPTs. You can show to the students. Can click on PPT. Yeah, you can have your own PPT. Just bring that second page, third page. You just move. The next page will come and you will get entire information about the engine.
Virtual and augmented reality not only makes learning more practical and interesting, but also boosts confidence among students, giving them hands-on training.
तो हम लोग अगर इंजन देखने जाए तो इंजन बाहर से हमें पूरा समझेगा नहीं, इसलिए उसके एक एक पार्ट्स हमें वर्चुअल रियलिटी के थ्रू पता चलते हैं. उसमें हमको इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती है कि कैसे उसको ऑपरेट करना है. इंडस्ट्री में जाके हमको नई चीज देखने को ना मिले या फिर इंजीनियर्स को ये ना लगे कि हमको इसकी इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है.
The cockpit simulation which we have over here, it helps us to better understand even before we go to the field.
By doing this VR technology, by using it, we get a confidence. We have so that before we go to the main field, we do not fumble. We have a basic knowledge like what's going to happen and how we can manage.
While virtual reality is relatively a new concept in India, the untold potential as an education tool makes it an exciting option for students and teachers. With Apeksha Srivastav in Mumbai, Bureau Report, Mirror Now.